I would like to share something that's made a huge impact in my life, mentoring. Now, let me ask you, have you ever had someone who inspired you or guided you during a challenging time?
Yes.
Maybe a teacher or friend, yes, or colleague, yes. So that's what a mentor does. They help you find your way, just like a guiding light. I believe that we all need mentor in our lives, whether it's in our personal lives, our careers, or even just when we are learning to speak or lead, like in Toastmasters. For me, I was lucky to have 3 incredible mentors, each one of teaching me something unique. And today, I would like to share a bit about each of them. My first mentor was Mete Yurtsever. He was marketing director in FS company and worked in headquarters in Istanbul office. That was a time before WhatsApp, before Zoom, even before Skype. So we had once in 2 months face-to-face meetings. Before, we had training, what is mentoring is. But I think I used him as my psychologist because I always came from Almaty to Istanbul, and 2 hours I was sharing my complaints or my thoughts about my immediate manager. That time I had some problems with him. So all the time he listened to me patiently. At the same time, he tried to guide me to set some professional, personal goals. And he said, "Did you write your goal?" He asked all the time, "Did you write your goal? Did you set your goal?" And let me add here one interesting thing that I said him, "Yes, I set goal. In 1 year, I want international assignment." So that was very interesting that in 1 year, I left that company and I had job offer from another company, and they offered me international assignment for 3 months in UAE. So over time, I learned that Mete was more than just psychologist. He helped me see the bigger picture and encouraged me to grow and improve myself. So my next mentor came into my life when I joined Toastmasters, and it was I'm very surprised that she's here. Alua, thank you. Alua was assigned as my icebreaker speech mentor. She was actually younger than me, about the same age my daughter. At first time, I wasn't sure how someone so young could teach me anything. But Alua proved me wrong in the best way possible. She was full of fresh ideas and boundless energy. Yes, Alua, thank you. She guided me perfectly during my icebreaker speech preparation. Through that experience, I learned that age really doesn't matter when it comes to mentoring. Finally, There is Akirke. She is also much younger than I am. Additionally, we don't meet often. We've kept in touch through messages on WhatsApp. Akirke has always been there for me with thoughtful words of encouragement and advice. She showed me that effective mentoring is not about face-to-face meetings. Also, she can offer perspectives and insight that I would never expect. Looking back, the biggest lesson I have learned from all of my mentors is this: mentoring is not just about receiving advice, it's about being open to learning, willing to work together, and sometimes pushing yourself to do better. It doesn't matter if your mentor is older or younger, or even if you only connect online. Mentoring can happen anywhere, and the most important part is the mutual growth that happens when we help each other. Thank you for listening, and I hope you discover the power of mentoring in our lives.
Thank you, Bibizada.